Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add or remove layers or tracks in Davinci Resolve. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. First, to add tracks, open the Edit tab and you can either click and hold and then drag either audio or video up or down into a new layer, as it will create one automatically when you do this. Alternatively, you can right click on a current layer on the far left of the timeline where it says the track number. You can now select Add Track to get a new one. To remove a layer, right click in the same area but on the layer you want to remove and then choose Delete Track. That's how to add or remove layers or tracks in Davinci Resolve. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.